Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 3 class student. I am Fatma here with 9th lecture of SST. Alhamdulillah, I am fine and hopefully you are fine too. Dear students, open page number 34, chapter number 7, transport. Any means that we use to move from one place to another is called transport. Machines which are taken us from one place to another on land are called vehicles. Some vehicles are driven forward by engines and these engines are run by petrol, diesel, CNG, and some are on electricity. The car is a vehicle. You can see the parts of car here. In the picture here are some other vehicles which have engines. You can see rickshaw have engines, scooter, motorcycle, jeep, truck, bus and oil tanker all have engines, and they all need petrol, diesel or CNG and oil and water to run. The tires need air. Can you think why water is needed and where it is used in a vehicle? Water is used to keep the engine cool and it is used in a vehicle in radiator. Open page number 35. Some vehicles do not have an engine. They are pulled by animals. Look at the picture. A horse cart, carriage, tonga and bull cart is driven away by animals or pulled by animals. Have you seen any of these on the roads? Can you name some more? Some vehicles neither have engines nor they are pulled by animals. For example, bicycle and a hand cart. Did you know the largest aeroplane today is the Airbus A380? It can carry a full load of 655 passengers. Open page number 36. Traveling by the air is the fastest way to go anywhere. Aeroplanes can fly over the sea and high mountains. They can transport hundreds of people over a long distance in the shortest time. So for a long distance, we travel in aeroplanes. For traveling short distances by air, the helicopter is most useful. Helicopter can land almost anywhere, even on your school playground or field. Vehicles that travel along the ground have wheels. Trains have wheels too, but they move on the tracks or rails. Railway carriages are pulled by a powerful engine, and the power for these engines come from diesel, coal or electricity. The modern engines are run by electricity. Have you ever traveled by train? In Pakistan, we have a railway network that links all the major towns and cities. There is also a good network of roads and highways in Pakistan. Many people travel by car and many more use the bus services to travel from one place to another. People who travel a long way sometimes have to cross the sea, a river or a lake. They can travel by boat or aeroplane for this purpose. Open page number 37. There are many kinds of boats to travel in the sea or river. A ferry carries people and goods, products from one bank of a river to the opposite bank. Ships are of two kinds, tanker ships and container ships. Ships are used to carry large loads of goods like grain, wood and machinery. Tanker ships carry oil and they are huge ships which carry thousands of barrels of oil. Container ships, goods that are packed in a container are transported in a container ships. You can see in the picture a ferry, a raft, a canoe, a speedboat, a luxury liner, a sailing boat, an oil tanker, a rowing boat, a barge. Boats are also used for sport and adventure. A speedboat moves very fast over the water. Fishermen also use boats to go fishing in the lakes, rivers or the sea. Ships have huge engines. Can you see in the picture some boats that have no engines? How do they move? Raft, don't have engine. A canoe don't have engine. A rowing boat also don't have engine. Open page number 38. Road safety. Thousands of people live in large cities. Thousands of people live in large cities. People have to go from one place to another. Adults go to work and children go to school. For this purpose, we know traffic rules. Traffic is also on to move. Roads are very busy in the morning when people go to work and in the evening when they go to home. Everyone on the road, whether they are driving, riding a motorcycle or bicycle or walking, must obey the traffic rules. Because these rules are made to keep everyone safe and prevent accidents. Traffic rules are set out in a book called Highway Code. Breaking traffic rules is punishable by law. People who walk along a footpath are pedestrians. When you walk to a school, you are a pedestrian. Pedestrians have to be very careful. Here are some rules for all pedestrians. Number 1, always cross the road at zebra crossing or a safe place. Number 2, before crossing a road, first look right, then look left. Look right again, listen carefully. If there is no traffic coming, cross the road. Number 3, when you want to cross a road, make sure you can see both ways. Don't cross the behind a parked vehicle. 4, never play or near a road. Never try to get on a moving vehicle. Number 6, always walk on a footpath. If there is no footpath, walk close to the side of the road. Dear student, these are book reading questions of chapter number 7. Write these questions on a sticky note and mark the answer of these questions on your book. Later I will mark the answer of these questions. Dear student, open page number 34. This is a pattern how to write the book reading questions on a sticky note. Paste like this from upper side and write all 8 questions on sticky note. The answer of first question is, any means that we use to move from one place to another is called transport. The answer of second book reading question is, machines which take us from one place to another on land are called vehicles. Question number 3 book reading, they all need petrol, diesel or CNG and oil and water to run. Open page number 37. The answer of fourth book reading question is, ships are used to carry large loads of goods like grain, wood, machinery, etc. There are 2 types of ships, oil tanker and container ship. Write this remaining answer of fourth book reading here. The answer of fifth book reading is, goods that are packed in container are transported in container ships from here to here. Open page 38. The answer of sixth book reading is, people who walk along a footpath are pedestrians. Answer of seventh book reading is, a horse carriage, a tonga and a bull cart. And answer of eighth book reading is, a bicycle, a hand cart. Now come on page number 34 again to mark the blanks. First blank 1B is, some vehicles are driven forward by engines. Engine is the answer of first blank. The second blank is, start from here. The engines run on petrol, diesel and CNG. Petrol, diesel or CNG and on electricity are the answer of second blank. Third blank is, the car is a vehicle. Vehicle is answer of third blank. Open page number 35. Fourth blank, did you know the largest aeroplane today is the Airbus A380. It can carry a full load of 655 passengers. A380 and 655 are answer of question fourth blank. Dear student, this is all about 8 lecture of SST. Take care. Allah Hafiz.